Okay, the 670 size cutter paper machine is inside because can use on the food shop, okay, and printing shop and some different camera shop. Also, we can use this one, the small one, 670 size cutter paper machine. Not need too much place, and just more place already enough. We can provide the second-hand version or the brand new version to you, and if your budget enough, I will introduce to buy the brand new version. Okay, brand new version always better. This one is our 670 size cutter paper machine, and the spare part, and the laminate machine, and the cold brew machine. This one is the manual cold brew machine on here. Okay, so the cutter paper machine, the 4AO size, this one, used on the table. Used on the table cutter paper machine. Actually, many camera shop, bookshop, they prefer to use because not need too much space. Okay, this one is our 4AO size cutter machine.